So I wanted to add some carbon to the GT500, and I ordered a wrap of 7D carbon from Amazon, and I don't know what the heck they sent me, but I got 2 metal pipes right here. I don't know what these are that came in the wrap. There's like some brackets that they sent me in here. I have no clue. These look like something that you would clamp onto the hood. I mean, not the hood, the roof. Since I ordered it for the roof, because I wanted to do the roof in carbon, and this is what they sent me. There's like 5 of these. I'm not sure exactly what those are, but here's the roll of 7D carbon fiber. I wanted to do the roof and a couple other extra parts. See how it hits in the sun. Okay. Oh, there's a piece right here. See, I mean, it looks good. I mean, it'll pass. I think that'll look good for the roof. I may do that little front fascia piece on the GT500. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely want to do a roof in this, just to protect it as well. I don't know what the heck Amazon sent me from a roll of wrap. They sent me a goddamn roll bar since my last Marketplace Madness video to put in the Shelby or something. I don't know what the heck this stuff is. I don't know if you guys see this small blemish right here. Like a really small little ding. I'm not sure how that got there, but I think that was there when I got the car. I've been meaning to get this fixed, just never had the time. But now, you know, once you see something like that, you always see it. Even though it's the littlest thing, you won't even notice it until you're at the right angle, but it is right there. So I'm gonna go to a shop. Someone recommended me, I think he's out in Dallas, Texas, and have him go pop that out and see if we can get this cleaned up, because I don't like any dings, especially in something like this, man. So we're gonna head out there and try to get that fixed up. If y'all know where I'm at, man, I done found a little spot. Y'all know I gotta do it for the channel, man. Y'all know I gotta do it for the channel. Yes, sir. Y'all know I have to do it for y'all, man. Hit that like and subscribe button just for that. All right, guys, we just arrived to Carson Auto Care out here in Dallas. It was quite a bit of a drive, but I'm not gonna lie, that little pool made it worth it. So, but we're out here. It seems like some pretty decent cars. I know that ain't no damn V. Is this a V? Or is it a CTS with V part? I don't know. We definitely got to stop this blasphemy right here, man. You got the V badges, V bumper, and got the wood grain steering wheel. That's what gave it away. I know this ain't no damn V. While we're out here in the sun, man, this is how she looking right now. And there's no dings, nothing. I mean, the only thing is this little small thing you might see now right here. So can't even really tell, but I just know it's there. So hopefully we can get that taken out without a lot of hassle, but should be good then. Tiny. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, man.
Yeah, man. So you say you have to glue pull this?
I might have to. I'm gonna see. Once I have the tail light and see if I can't get into it.
Okay.
Get in there with the tool. I might be able to. I'm pretty sure I'd be able to.
That's it, man. That's the only thing it's got. So, and it had that when I got it. So I was just like, you know, once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Yeah, you can't unsee it.
And then it just started bothering me. So I was just like, yeah, I gotta get that out. Then the main thing that sucks too is on the roof right here. So I was driving and something flew up, and you see these scratches right here.
Oh no!
And it's fucking just and hit my roof.
Oh dude.
We got, man. Yes, sir. Looks good, man. Smooth it out. Got no more
Never
dent.
knew it was there, man.
Yeah. Shout out to him, man.
Yeah, man.
Y'all need any hail damage, dent repair, stuff like that? Shout out to him. Carson Auto Care, right?
Yes, sir.
Out here in Dallas, knocked it out for me, so got that smooth. Everybody knows how kind of picky I am about dents and dings and shit, so appreciate him on that one. Yes, sir. Shout out to Carson Auto Care right here. He got it. Got me right, man. It ain't there no more. You can't even tell it was there. That's what I like, man. He loves the car. Appreciate it, man. There's his number. You contact him, get you right, man. He took care of me in less than an hour, really. So knocked it out for me. I appreciate it, man. Got the Shelby. Got right now.
What body shops don't want you to know about? Paintless Dent Repair. Before. Minutes later.
Jeez, they got that man aired out over there. Boy, got the bins aired out. It's cleaned up, but yeah, we got the dent taken care of. We headed out now. All right, y'all, time to head to work, man. Put the Shelby back at the house. Now it's time to go ahead to a detail. I'm gonna start adding in the detailing some work stuff so you guys can see it. It's pretty satisfying to some of you guys, and some of you like the detailing tips, so I'll be adding that in here for you. And I'll show you guys when I get to this location. My first time seeing one on the road. Sheesh, that motherfucker look nasty. God damn. So that's how I be looking out here? Why y'all didn't tell me that's how I be looking out here? God. Alright, man, here we got. This is the damage that we got. Tan interior with these type of stains are really the worst, man. I hate dealing with those dark brown stains and tan because they like to just spread instead of coming directly out. So, and then over there, I think that's like bubble gum or something, so I gotta pull out the steam cleaner for that. All right, man. Yes, sir. We got them all cleaned up. I just kind of knocked it out because I got to go to a haircut appointment, man. But we got them shampooed. Got those big stains out. Once it dries up, it's going to dry up pretty clean. Tan is always like this once it's wet. Carpets shampooed, extracted. Front seat all shampooed, done up. Got them clean, man. Got them looking good, smelling good in here. So off to this haircut appointment now. We just got the haircut. You know, we ain't looking homeless out here no more. Thank goodness, man. But I appreciate y'all tuning in and stopping by the channel. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, man. We're trying to get the subscribers up. I feel like, honestly, man, my channel should have been blown up. Oh, a nice C7 right there. Ooh, okay. But yeah, man, I feel like my channel should have been, you know, gained some traction and blown up, man.